Okay, student. So in today's class, we will be watching or we'll be studying how to download the QGIS software and how to work with the QGIS software. So for your syllabus, there is an experiment based on QGIS where we have to design or we have to digitize a satellite where we have to understand about the 3 points, that is point, line and polygon. I'll explain this point, line and polygon one by one. Before we understand what is point, line and polygon, let me first tell you how to download the software. Okay, so the easiest way is go to Google, say QGIS software and click on it. So you will get a link called as welcome to QGIS project. Once you go to QGIS project, it's an open source software. It means you can in a easiest way I can say it is free of cost software. If you are downloading for desktop, even the mobile version is available, but it's not that compatible. You can say now go to download now. Once you go to download, it will open it here. You need to check which system you are using, whether you are using a 32-bit system or 64-bit system. If you are using 32-bit system, how to check it? You can go to this PC, go to properties. Here you will get information that system type is 64-bit system. Mine is a 64-bit system. So I'll be downloading the latest version or the latest release, or you can take long time release. Both of these, maximum of the features for whatever with respect to your syllabus will be same. You can install whichever you want. Mine is 64-bit, so I'll just click on it. I'll save the file. I'll save the file in downloads. Okay, once this file is downloaded, you can click it. You can just follow the easiest steps to install it. It's based on, it's as normal as how you install your other softwares. Okay, once you install it, the QGIS will open in this fashion. Your QGIS will open in this fashion. Now, so to do anything, the essential part is which is required is some base map which is essential. Base map is essential. Once the base map is essential, means we need to get some data behind it. We need to get some data behind it. Once that data is ready, we can draw point, line and polygon. The meaning of point, line and polygon, you might have used the Google Earth, where point is the data which shows the particular location. For example, it may be your house, it can be a point data. It may be your college, it's a point data. It can be any shop, it can be any restaurant, it can be any petrol pump or anything. Such small locations which has a latitude and longitude, such points are called as point data. Okay, or it can be a line data. Line data means it's a roads connecting from one end to the another end. That can be represented with the help of line. It may be a straight line if the railway line, if it is a airport runway, it will be a straight line. If it is a normal road, it will be zigzag, but it's a line. That feature denotes the line. Another is polygon. Polygon is the closed circuit. Any closed circuit whose two ends are meeting each other is a polygon. It's a polygon. So I'll be again giving the I will be showing the maps, different maps. Okay, or how to do this. That point is called as the so-called polygon area. Now let us start the beginning by taking out the base map. To how to add this base map? To add this base map, you required a Google link. Now this software is capable of taking Google Earth directly into the software. There are many ways of doing it. You can download the free satellite data which is available. You can search for free satellite data, you will get the satellite data. But again, there are many aspects which are involved in this. It's a band data and all that part. So directly in this experiment, what we'll be doing is we'll be calling the Google Earth directly into the so-called QGIS. So to do that, we need a link of the Google. So you can type Google link for QGIS. You can say Google links for QGIS. Here it will be appearing that yes, how to add. You can check many, but this is the most reliable one. How to add the Google Maps or terrains. If you go at the bottom of this, you will get a links. You will get road map, terrain map, alternate road map, satellite only, terrain only, hybrid only. Many options are there. What I'll do is I'll first add hybrid map. This hybrid map is combination of all the points. It gives all locations and everything, as if you're calling a Google Earth or Google maps into the QGIS. To do that, what I'll do is I'll just go here. I have copied already the link. I will go to the option called as XYZ tiles. Click on XYZ tiles. Go to option called as new connections. This will open. I already copied the Google hybrid link. Hybrid. I'll just type it. I'll say Google hybrid. Google hybrid. And here in this URL, I'll just paste the link of it, whichever I have been copied. Rest of the things you can be as it is. Don't do anything. Simply say OK. Once you say OK, you will see that Google hybrid has been highlighted over here. So next part, what I can do is I can just copy this. I hold this and drop it in this layer box. Let me introduce you to the toolbox of this QGIS. So these are the option keys which has different purposes. This is the browser window. Whatever you want to browse, your entire system will be available here. Okay, whatever you want to browse, that entire system is available here. And this is the layer window. This layer window is all about the different layers which will be available for the working. So this layer window will be visible only for the whatever you uploaded here. Okay, till now there was nothing in this window. This is the working area, or we can say canvas. Okay, so till now there was nothing at this location, so there was no point at this also. Okay, now let me zoom this image. Now you can see, but to do this, internet connection is essential. Net connection is essential. Now I'll go to my own city, Belgavi. Okay, now you can see I am able to see each and every detail of my city. So here you can see these are the point datas, the locations, head post office, then this is Panjurli Fine Dine, Sri Sai Hospital, Keli Hospital, office of the competence hotel Ramdev. All this at the point data. Well, the roads are connected with the line data. Same way you can see. I think there are, okay, now if you say this is Hindalco water treatment plant. Now if I mark this will be my this boundary line. If I mark, then it will be the so-called polyline. But now what will happen if I want to do all this names will be disturbing me. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll add another tile, that is the Google satellite only. So this satellite only will give you the only satellite without the names. So again same procedure I will apply. New connection, paste, sorry, I'll say Google data. I'll paste the link. I'll say OK. Now you can see Google data is also appeared here. Now what I'll just paste the Google data. Now what is there? This is at the bottom, this is on the top. So I'm able to see this side. Sometimes when I want to see the names, I can just click this point, this checkbox. If it checkbox is clicked, this will work or this will go. So I can use to mark the locations as well. Now I'll say okay, this is my point. I want to check what exactly is this. Okay, this is Beams Boys Hostel. Okay, let's search for our own college also. Shubhasav H.G. Balikundri Institute of Technology. Okay, we came here. So RN Shetty Polytechnic Residential School. Okay, this is our own department. This is our college. college building, all these points are visible. But again, this, if I want to map it, this will be a problem. So what I'll do, I'll just take a plain Google image, then I'll start working on it. So this is the first part, and this is the most essential part in order to get the clear information. Okay, now next part will start pointing the locations. Let us work only with our own institute so that you will get the clear idea about what to do. So the okay, so now once you add all these layers, there is an option called, we need to add the layer also. Now I will go say, I'll say create layer, I'll say new shapefile layer, and I'll say okay, college locations. Okay, we'll be working only on the college itself. So then we need to add the field. There is already a field called as ID. This is automatically, it will be taken. Now I need to add the new field. If I want to add the new field, so what I have to do is I have to just click on the new field name is name, as you I say I'll name of the location, name of the location. Okay, I'll say name only. Okay, then this should be different type. It can be whole number, decimal number, or text data. So I'll be typing the name, so it will be a text data. I'll say add field, add to the field list. So you can see the string is a type, 80 is the length, 80 characters you can type, and the name has been appeared. Now I'll say OK for it. Once I say OK, there is one more additional layer has been created in the layer box. Now, but this layer is not yet active. To make it active, there is an option here called as toggle editing. This toggle editing will be available. If not, you can go to this option and you can say the attribute toolbar. You can click on the attribute toolbar and you can say that yes, my window will be available. You can click it here, say toggle editing. Once I click on this toggle editing, you will see there are many options will be activated. Like we have a paste option here, we have a current edits option here, then here we have a add point. Now see, my cursor is still a pan, in a pan mode. That once I click on the add point feature, my cursor has changed here. That is because of now it says that okay, you are ready to go for the marking of the locations. So I'll start from the main building itself. I'll click it here. I'll say ID will be null. Okay, we can say one first point, and the name of this is, I'll say office building. Say office building. I'll say okay. Now office building has appeared here. There is the okay. Now we'll go on marking the points. We know. So here we have a library. I'll say here. I'll say second point. I'll say college library. Okay, college library. Then I'll go here. We have academic coordinator chamber at this location. Okay, so I'll just click it. I'll say third point, academic coordinator chamber. Okay, then here we have solar panels. I'll say point number 4, solar panels. Okay, then here we have a temple. I'll say item number 5, Swamiji, or I'll say temple, Swamiji temple. Okay, same way here we have auditorium. Okay, let me see first. This is our the even ID. If you don't remember the numbers, we can fill it afterwards also. I'll show how to do that. I'll say this is our the seminar hall number 1. Okay, then anything department. This is our auditorium. This is our auditorium. Okay, same way this is our parking. Okay, I'll say two-wheeler, say simply parking. I'll say parking. Here we have a canteen. Okay, same way here comes our own civil engineering department. So our civil engineering department. Okay, then here we have girls hostel. We have girls hostel. Here at this corner you have got mess somewhere here. I'll say mess. Okay, like that I can, I'll add, this is the last point. I say football ground. Say football ground. So I added so many points on this area now. I added so many points on this map now. Okay, now all these points can be seen by clicking on this table. Go to attribute table. Attribute table will open. You can see this everything is been displayed. You can here put numbers also. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, you can put the numbers also. So whatever you had did is appearing at this location. Now no one has, you want to prepare a map of this, then no one is interested to go to this and see the details. So what we can do is, we can click on this same part, go to properties, go to the location called as labels here. So here you click on single labels. Click on single labels. Now it will ask, label with what? Label with your ID or with your name? I'll say with my name. Okay, and what should be the color of the text? What should be the font of the text? These all things can be changed. Even you can do the various formattings. You can try at your place on how to do all this. Then simply click on, once you can your the size also matters. Okay, what should be the size of it? I'll say 7 should be the size, and I'll say okay. I'll say apply first, then I'll say okay. Now you can see this everything is appearing like, but the dark is there. I'll change the color of the text to white so that it will be visible. Now you can see that whatever locations we have marked are visible on the map itself. Okay, now you can try with your combinations, what should be the name of it, what should be the font of it. I kept 7, I'll keep it the 12 font. I'll see that the text should be of this font. Okay, and I'll apply. You can see the text has also increased its size. Okay, you can try many of these options, permutation and combination. Okay, this is the first part. So for that, what you need to do is, once you complete this, you can either convert this into the map, or else you directly jump to the next aspect also. So let me first complete the create a map. You can go to project, say new print layout, name it, I'll say college location, and I'll say okay. Now this window will appear. This is the window where you have to create a map. For to that, there is an option here, add a new map to the layout. So this, what it will do is, it will drag whatever is available in your canvas area or the working area. So I'll just click on this, and to this point till this point I'll simply drag it. So now we can see that my area, entire area, whatever is available, has appeared here. Okay. Now you can again zoom it, zoom out. These options are available. Okay, you can try with it. So this is my locations. Now to create a map, I need to add the legends also. Okay, so I'll say click it here, again drag it. Now whatever is there in the layer window, whatever is there in this layer window is appearing here. To avoid that, I just want the collection. I don't want Google data, Google hybrid this as a legends. I'll click it here. I click on legends. I'll go at the bottom. This part. This is the item properties, or else you can click it here. Go to item properties. The same thing will get open. Now I want only college location. These things are not essential for me. I'll click it here. I'll just go bottom. There is the option. Click first auto. Uncheck the auto update, click it here and say minus, select this and click on this remove button. Okay, now only the college location is available. I'll paste it at the, I'll hold it and keep it at the bottom. Okay, then it's your choice what all again you can do, item properties, map rotation areas, and all these things you can try. Okay, or else you can simply go to now legends again. I'll go to legend. I'll give the title as legend. Give title as legend. Okay, now you can see here where alignment, I'll keep it in the center, so center it will be there. Okay, then I'll go to map again, once again. I think it got right, center. Okay, now I need to add the scale bar also. I'll click it here, I'll paste it at this bottom. I can see a scale bar. Again, this scale bar can be changed. I'll keep it in meter, kilometer, whichever you wish to. Okay, and even you can resize the scale bar as well. Sorry, resize is not possible. I'll keep at this corner. Now your map is ready. Even you can add grids to this and all, but at this moment it is not essential. Okay, next part is to save this. So how you want to save? It can save in SVG format. The best format which can be saved is PDF. Okay, say don't show this message again. Okay, PDF. I'll say college location is available. I'll say it, and recommended option you keep it and say okay. Now your file has been created already. You can go to desktop, college location image, you can open it and check. Yes. Now you can see this is the college location. This you can take a print and apply in your book, apply in your journal. Okay, same way let us try to add the next project. I'll close this now. Okay, next project, that is the point location. Once you complete all this, you can say just click on toggle window. It will ask you to save. Say save. Okay, so the file will get saved. Now it's your choice. Now we have to move to the next part, that is the line. Okay, I'll just close this tab so that my names will not disturb me while drawing the roads. So with respect to the college, what we can do is we can mark a path from the entry to the exit point. So I'll say I'll enter from this location. I'll go to my department. I have a work at a certain place, so I'll move it here. This is the road. If I want to go to the office, there is an option to reach by office from this road. Okay, till by taking this path I can reach the office. I can reach the this way we will mark, or else we can mark these roads as well. Okay, so it depends upon we are working with college only today, or you can mark a road from your location. Say for I stay near I'll say okay, which is the suitable location. This is okay. Okay, I say I'll stay somewhere here. This from this circle I want to move to. If I want to check which circle is this is Rani Chenma circle. From Rani Chenma circle I want to reach to my college. So what I can do is I can go to layer option, again same way, new shapefile layer. Okay, and here we need to name it. Here we need to name it as the road network. Okay, here now you need to change the location to the line. This is more essential. Okay, because earlier we were drawing plain line, simple line, so I used as sorry, a point, so I used as a point. Now we are drawing the lines, so you need to change the line. So what all is required? I required the name of the road, name of the I'll say name, I'll say add to field list. Then I want the length also, length of the road also. I'll say list, but here it will not be. I'll just remove it. I'll say length, and here the type should be the decimal number. Type should be the decimal number because it cannot be a text. It should be a decimal number. I'll say add to the field. So it's like real number, and I'll say 20. Now this much is sufficient. You can add width, I can add width of this and everything, but you need to manually input. We'll see how length will come automatically. Okay, then I'll say okay for it. Once I say okay, again road network option is available here with the line. You can see here, earlier it was a point, now it is a line. So again here I'll go here, I say toggle editing, then here I'll say I add line feature. Once I add say line feature, you can check it. My cursor is different, toggle editing and say add feature. My cursor has changed. Now I can zoom it to my own extent. From Rani Channama circle, I'll start clicking based upon the road. This is, if you want to move the map, you can take hold the rolling ball of your mouse, and mouse is essential. Mouse is essential here. Rolling ball of your mouse, zoom it, zoom out also you can do, or else hold the mouse, it will tell you it can be dragged at the bottom. So I am marking the road from here. Now here there is a turn, so wherever there is a turn you can click bit more number of times to get the proper curving nature. Now I have to reach here. Okay, you say that you have another friend who goes to this location. Okay, so you'll say okay, this my friend will reach here. Okay, and he will be dropped at this location. Okay, this is a petrol pump. Okay, he'll be dropped at this location. Once I want to end this line, okay, and I can draw a single line also, but for your understanding I'm showing you. Okay, I'll drop it this friend. For that what I'll do is I'll simply click right, I'll simply right click it. I'll say ID1, name is Channama circle to Sadashinagar. Okay, length I'll leave it blank, it'll take automatically. So now you can see you'll be able to see the line properties also you can change. Again you can go to symbology, here you can check the color of it. I'll say I want color should be my red. Okay, then units should be in meter or points. I'll say unit should be millimeter, let it be. Okay, even you can manage the width of it. I'll say width should be close about 4. Okay, I'll say apply, or I'll say width should be close to 2. Now you can see that the line has appeared. Okay, you can change the width also. You can say width is too high, so I should reduce the width to 1 also. Okay, now you dropped your friend. Now next, again second line you want to draw. Okay, from again here only you dropped him here, you came back from this location, you started your journey back. This is a shortcut road which is available. You came here and again you are on the main road. Again you are on the main road. Okay, now we are on the backside Ramdev road. Now you have got another friend with you who to whom you have picked from the last petrol pump, and he wants to go to KLE. Imagine now you are riding towards KLE, you dropped him near KLE. Right click here, say second ID, name of the road to Sadashiv Nagar to KLE Hospital. Length, we will leave it blank. You can see that is another road has been created. This is the point. From here you have been created. Now you dropped him and you said okay, I'll go back. You ride it back from this location to this location. From here there is a road which is available, okay, to reach our college. You will ride like this. This is the road straight. Here there is a curvature, so I'll be taking more number of points. Okay, you came this way. And you entered the college. Okay, after entering your college, you have a bike, you parked it at this location. Again right click, say KLE, sorry, ID number 3, here KLE to HBIT parking. You reached here. Now from parking you started back, you parked your bike, again you started back. Now we are following SOP procedures, ensure the safety of yours. So here you have taken a precautions and then started walking, and you reach the civil engineering department. Again right click, I'll say ID is 4, I think. Okay, this ID can be changed. So parking to civil department. Okay, now we can see entire road has been marked. Same way you can go here, you say you can go here, go to properties, say label, single labels, I'll say with label should be with name. Okay, it should be same type, I should be it's yellow, I'll say no, I'll change this to 10. Okay, and say apply. Now you can see all these roads are been named as per your convenient. Roads have been named as per your convenient. So you can change the font also, okay, because font seems to be very high. Okay, I'll say I want this is should be only 7. Okay, now again you go to project, new project layout. I'll say a road network. I'll open it here, click here. I'm able to see the road here with names. It is visible. With names it is visible. Again I'll say add legend. Again I don't want remaining areas, so I'll click. I'll go here. I'll say uncheck Google hybrid also I unchecked. This location also I unchecked. Only the road network is visible. I'll name this as legend. Okay, this should be centrally aligned, and this is over. I'll add the scale also. Okay, add a scale also. Done. Again I'll say export as PDF. I'll say road only, and PDF is been generated. We'll see this PDF afterwards. Okay, we'll move to the next feature, that is task has been completed, it's saying. Now I'll say uncheck road network. I'll go to the next point. I'll stop editing. I'll save the edits. I'll go to once again to the next feature called as polygon feature. Layer, create layer, new shapefile. Here I'll say ground, because now I should close vicinity. Go here, go to polygon. What all I need in polygon? I may need the name. It should be a text data. Also I need the area of is essential in the decimal numbers. Okay, I say okay. Again the ground option is appeared here. Click here, say add polygon feature. Now start marking the ground. By mistake also, if you click on the left this, then it will go. Okay, here I am just taking ground randomly. Right click it. I say id1 here, football ground area, will keep it null. It is appeared. I just want a boundary line, then you can go to properties here, go to symbology, say here the hollow lines, only the line should appear. Now see, only line is up. Same way I want to check how much area is available for parking of my bike in the college. From here we start parking, we reach here, we have this much area for parking. Let's say parking area I will keep null. Now see, same way I wish to know what is the size of this building. Okay, and to see the size of this building, I'll just go on marking the boundary layers. Okay, so state case area, so I'll close it here. I'll say office building area, I'll keep null. Okay, this way you can add the various point features. To this building you can add, you can check how much area is denoted for solar as well, how much area they are given for solar. Let us check it. Okay, I'll say solar area. This is my solar area. Then same way you can go for the labeling of it also. So labels, single labels, font is, I'll say here as 7 or 8. It should be in again yellow color. Apply. Okay. So not appeared. Let me check what happened. Okay. Here we are not given with what it should be labeled. Should be with name. Then apply. Okay, you can see the name started appearing at the center. Okay, now let me again, you know how to convert it. Let me. Okay, now once you can create, but it is important to understand that apart from the whatever operations we understood, we have to give the area or a length of the roads also. That is also one of the most important experiment. Let us start from the road network. Here go to open attribute table, check at this corner your Windows should be active. It should be toggle editing mode. Now I see when I say stop toggle editing, it will ask me to save, but now this is not open. If this is not open, then you cannot get the values. So first it should be toggle open. Okay, it should be open field. Here you should see arrow mark. Okay, then you go here, that say field calculator, open field calculator. Once you go to field calculator, you can create new one, but right now we are using the existing one because we just need to update it. So you can click it here, then go what you need to update. I want to update the length. Then come here, type dollar length, double click, and then you say OK. Now you'll see all these lengths are added. These values are in meters. Standardly, they all are in meters. Okay. This is one with respect to the length. Same way, now I'll stop it. I'll say save. I'll go to the ground. I need to check the area of the ground as well. Okay. Now you can see there are parking area, office building, solar area. This is all we need to calculate. Again, go to field calculator. Say update. Say it here area. Okay. And then here type as dollar sign area. These are the areas of our ground as well. Okay, so these are in again square meters. These are the areas. Stop edit, save. After completing, you can save all this and use the data for the different purpose. You can try for your own home and all these things you can try it at your end. Thank you. For more such videos, we'll meet once again. We'll take entire tutorial based upon the QGIS.